5, lot 1, end unit. So, ito na yung end niya. Nakalock po kasi siya. So, tingnan lang natin yung space. Sa kitchen. Sobrang laki ang bahay na to. End unit. Good day everyone! Napakainit ng araw and we're here at Muzon Mansions here in Taytay, Rizal. If you can see at my back, this is the actual available unit, Block 5, Lot 1 here in Muzon Mansions. Let's go! This is the actual available unit, sir ma'am, if you would like to see. Dito lang po muna tayo outside the facade kasi close yung house. But, let me discuss to you, eto, from the proposal, dirty kitchen, and ang entrance nasa side ng house. So, this is the available slot. And meron din po tayo itong toilet and bath. Okay, this is the main door, and this is the provision for our parking. So if you could see, and unit ka na po, so you can enjoy this space where you can also park your car. So at least 3 cars na kaya mo i-park dito. And look at this. Bricks po ang design ng facade ng ating bahay. So this house is a single attached unit. So kung makikita mo ito na yung katabi niya, and this is your parking area. This is composed of 3 bedrooms, and yung ating pong master's bedroom has its own toilet and bath, and adjacent po sa ating balcony. While dito naman po sa ground floor is provision for our living area, kitchen, and dining. So this is available. Isa na lang po ito. I hope you can afford. I don't know. Hope you can avail it. Thank you!